Good morning, students. Today I am going to take class 4th English Reader, Chapter 2 The Punishment of the Moon. Here I am giving you the picture of the chapter. You have to read it by yourself. This is first page and second page, then third page. Now I'm going to explain the story. You know very well about this story. On Ganesh Chaturthi, everybody makes Ganesha's favorite sweet laddus and offer him to the god. When the gods walked freely on the earth, it was Ganesha Chaturthi, the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Ganesha visited all his devotees riding on his vehicle Mushika. Ganesha devotees welcomed him and offered him different sweets. Each sweet was more delicious than the other. Ganesha enjoyed his favorite modaks most of all. Thus, the evening came, but Ganesha continued to accept the offerings. The moon shone brightly that night. At last, Ganesha was ready to leave. That time, Ganesha told to the Mushak that I will take the rest of Modak's home. Let's go. After some time, Mushika was finding it difficult to carry the Lord Ganesha, who had become heavier after eating so many sweets. Suddenly, Mushika stopped because there was a snake in his way. After seeing the snake, Mushika scared and ran for his life. Toppling Ganesha fell down. Chandra, the moon, was watching all this. He burst into laughter. That time Lord Ganesha got angry. Moon told to the Lord Ganesha, that is, you look so funny, Ganesha. Then the Lord said to the moon, just wait, Chandra. I won't leave you. You will have to pay for this. The moon realized that he was in trouble. Chandra ran for his life, but the Lord Ganesha followed him to his house. Chandra hid in his house, scared to come out. The Lord Ganesha sat down in front of the house. After that, many days and nights passed. Without the moon, there was no light at night. The earth became dark. No one could see anything after sunset. The people suffered a lot. All of them went to Ganesha and prayed, dear Ganesha, please have mercy on us. Kindly forgive Chandra. Let him come out and shine again. The soft-hearted Ganesha felt sorry for them. He realized that it was not fair to make the world pay for the moon's mistake. After thinking, he called Chandra, come out. I will not harm you, he promised to the moon. You have to pay the price for laughing at me on my birthday, he told to the Chandra. That is, your punishment is that from now onwards you can't show your face little by little until you are full and round. Then, for the next 15 days, you will decrease little by little fit. You disappear. You will not show your full face every night. Hence, to this day, we see that moon waxes until Purnima or full moon night. Waxes means become larger. After Purnima, the moon starts waning until Amavasya. Waning means becoming smaller. Afterwards, the Lord Ganesha went away that place. I hope you understand the story. Next, here I am giving you the word meanings. First one, devotee means a religious person. Second one, scared means afraid. Third one, toppling means falling down. Fourth one, mercy means pity. Fifth one, wholeheartedly means by heart. Next, answer the following questions. First question is, how was the elephant god welcomed by all? Answer, Ganesha's devotees welcomed him wholeheartedly and offered him different sweets. Each sweet was more delicious than the other. Lord Ganesha enjoyed his favorite modaks most of all. Second question, when did Lord Ganesha visit all his devotees? Lord Ganesha visited on his birthday, Ganesh Chaturthi. Then third question, how did Ganesha fall from his vehicle? Lord Ganesha fell from his vehicle when a snake came on his way. The scared Mushak ran for his life, toppling Ganesha. Fourth question, why did Lord Ganesha want to punish the moon? Lord Ganesha wanted to punish the moon because the moon laughed at the Ganesha when he fell from the Mushak. Fifth question, what was the punishment given to the moon by Ganesha? The punishment given to the moon by Ganesha was that from now onwards he will increase bit for 15 days until it is full and round. Then for the next 15 days it will increase bit until it disappears. It will not show its full face every night. Next one, I have given you some homework. Here, name the following. You have to write the names. First one, Lord Ganesha's vehicles. You have to write it, Lord Ganesha's vehicles. Then next one, his birthday. When is his birthday? That one you have to write it. Third question, his favorite sweet. You have to write the Lord Ganesha's favorite sweet. Then fourth one, full moon night. Fifth one, no moon night. You have to write the meaning of full moon night and fifth one, no moon night. You have to write the meanings. Then I have given you the word meanings, question answers, then homework. These three you have to write it in your English reader copy. When you all come to the school, I will check your copy. So kindly do it. Complete your work on time. Thank you.